Hello, welcome to AutoCAD. In this video tutorial, we are going to look at the use of array command. For you to make an array, you must first of all have an object that you are supposed to array. So for example, you want to array a circle of radius 3 millimeters. Go to array, pick on rectangular array, click on this object, enter. Now you can change the direction of these objects. You can click here and it will come downwards, or you can reverse direction to this side. Now you can give the number of columns. These columns, okay, we can say we want 4 columns. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 rows as it is, the first row, second row, and the third row. And here you can give a distance between each row, okay. So you can just type it here directly, 10, okay. So it will be the distance between this center and the center of this other circle. Or you can directly click on this arrow and just type your distance, let's say 17, okay. So this circle should be spaced at a distance of 17 millimeters, and the vertical distance for the rows, you can just click here on this circle and give your distance, let's say 17. Just click on close. We can look at another concept. Click on array, enter. We are going to give 4 and 3. Then you can decide whether you want these objects to be attached to each other. So when you want to keep them attached, you just leave here, or when you want to separate them, just click, just untick associate and click OK. So when you click these objects, it will be individual object. Our next thing is the use of polar array. Okay, so polar arrays are a circle. So you must have our object, then another circle. So click on circle. This is our circle. For us to array this circle along this circle, make sure this circle touches the diameter of this circle. So we can move this one. Pick on array, enter. So specify the center of this larger circle, okay. Then you can say, you can enter the number of items to be arrayed and click OK. Path array. Path array arrays your objects along the given path. You can pick on polyline. For us to array this object along this line, make sure that this object touches this line. Okay, like this. Pick on path array, select object, enter. Then select the path. Okay. We can use a spline fit. Move this circle here. Click on path array, select the object, enter. Then you select the path. Click close. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.